To create our shaving cream print today, we need a tray. I have a big circle tray, but you could use a baking tray as well. I have some shaving foam and some A4 paper. You want a few pieces of that. I'm going to be using liquid food dye. You could also use liquid watercolor paint. I have a toothpick and a piece of cardboard. I'm also working on a plastic mat so I don't have any spills. That's all we need for our shaving cream print. So let's grab our shaving foam and give it a really big shake before we start. And what we want to do is place our shaving foam on top of the tray. Now the area needs to be a little bit bigger than the size of our paper. So you might need someone to give you a hand with this, but let's go ahead and put it on our tray. Now just check it is the right size, and if you think you need to kind of spread it out, you can grab your paddle pop stick or a spoon or a fork and make it nice and wide. Okay, now the fun bit. Let's go ahead and grab some of our food dye. I want you to just put a few drops of some colors on top of the shaving cream. It's a really fun idea to use either cool colors or warm colors. I have yellow, green, and blue, but also pink and blue work really well because they kind of blend into purple, which is really nice. So you shouldn't need more than 3 colors. And now let's grab our paddle pop stick or our skewer, you could even use a fork, and create some really fun swirls in our shaving cream. So I'm just moving it around. It feels so smooth and it's starting to look like the swirls in rainbow ice cream. This is making me want to go ahead and buy some ice cream at the shop. Okay, if you're done, put your paddle pop sticker to the side. I'm going to place my paper on top and press it down. Just give it a little massage on the back. You might even start to see some of the swirls coming onto the paper. Now it is time to move over to our plastic mat or our newspaper. So let's peel off our paper. We'll put it on our mat. We're going to grab our piece of cardboard. Let's place it at one end of the paper and we're going to take off all of that excess shaving cream. Here I go to reveal my amazing swirly print. That is so fun. Let's just put that shaving cream back into our big pile, and you know what, we can repeat this. So let's go ahead and have another go with another piece of paper. I'm just going to put that one aside. You can try with some more food color, or you might have enough there. You might not even need to, but I'm just going to try with a few more bits of blue and maybe some green. Maybe my ice cream flavor today is like bubble gum and mint. That might be a fun combination. Okay, let's go ahead and swirl and swirl and swirl. So you could repeat this maybe up to 5 or 6 times with different pieces of paper. You could use colored paper. You don't have to repeat the little food color. You might have enough ink on there just to swirl it around and try it again. Okay. Let's see how this one prints as well. I'm going to place my paddle pop stick down, grab my paper, place it on top, and let's just massage the back. I am so excited to see how these prints turn out. Every single print's going to be different, and you never really know until it gets revealed, which is so exciting. Okay, here I go. I'm peeling it back, placing it on my plastic mat. I've got my cardboard here. Let's take a look and see how it worked. Oh, I really love this one. Wow, this one worked really well. It actually looks like a seaside or an ocean. I'm just going to put my cardboard over that again to get any excess off. You know what, boys and girls? I am going to have some fun doing a few more prints and I'm going to leave this to dry. When you are finished, you want to take this to the sink and just wash it down the sink. But I'm going to have some fun doing a few more prints and I will meet you back when you have yours.